In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Salesflare from CSV. By the end, you'll have a clean process for getting your contacts into Salesflare quickly and accurately, with accounts linked where needed. Start by preparing your CSV file. Make sure your file is saved as a .csv, not an Excel.xlsx. Include a header row at the top that clearly names each column. For contacts, you'll want at least a name and ideally an email address so Salesflare can recognize and deduplicate records. If you want contacts to be tied to companies, add a column called Account Name. If the account doesn't already exist in Salesflare, it will be created during the import. For the smoothest experience, match your column headers to Salesflare's field names like email, first name, last name, phone, and account name. This helps automap fields later and reduces manual work. Next, open Salesflare and go to the Import tool. Log in, click the gear icon to open Settings, select Import Data, and switch to the Contacts tab at the top so you're importing to the right place. Now upload your CSV. Click the orange plus button in the bottom right. Choose Contacts as your import type, and then either drag and drop your CSV into the upload area or click to browse and select it from your computer. Once uploaded, you'll see the field mapping screen. For each column in your CSV, choose the matching Salesflare field from the drop-down. If your headers match built-in fields, Salesflare may pre-map them automatically. Any columns you leave unmapped won't be imported, so take a moment to review. Typical mappings look like email to email, first name to first name, last name to last name, phone to phone, and account name to account name. Before starting, decide how you want to handle duplicates and account linking. You can enable deduplication to match contacts on email, which helps avoid creating doubles. If your CSV includes account name, Salesflare will link contacts to those accounts and even create new accounts when they don't exist. For best results, make sure the account name in your CSV matches your company names exactly. When everything looks good, click Start Import. Salesflare will process your file, which may take a moment depending on its size. If any rows can't be imported, you'll receive a Fix Import CSV that explains what went wrong, like a missing email. Download that file, correct the issues, and re-import. After the import finishes, head to Contacts to see your new list. If you included companies, check Accounts to confirm the links were created as expected.